This is so pretty. I gotta take another video. I don't know if you can see those 2,000 seagulls sitting on top of that island. Like they're eyeballing Sweetie, waiting for us to make a move. If we don't make it out of here, folks, everything I have is you alls to fight over. I don't know if the birds are gonna leave much of us. Boy, this is really, really pretty. I doubt if you can see because they're far away, but there are birds all over those rocks. And there's another island way out over there. You can barely see the shadow of it. As you can see, there's no place to go. Can't go that way. Can't go that way. We can't go that way. We have to go back through the birds.